Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. Spark plug replacement on a 2009 Toyota Corolla 1.8 liter VIN U. Not too bad of a job. Take out the cover here, take off some coils, and replace some plugs. And the spark plug gap will be 39 thousandths to 43 thousandths, and the torque on the plug will be 15 foot-pounds. Little friction nubbies, as I call them. That one's gone. There's one there, and there. 10mm bolts. You can usually push on this tab. Sometimes it's a bugger though, so get a little baby screwdriver and get it in here and encourage it to go up, and then you can release it from the terminal on here. We'll loosen the 10mm bolts here, and I'm going to zip them off. Might be interfering a little bit. We can pull this one off as well, this little plug at the end. Just using my little 1/4-inch gun with a swivel socket on it, 10mm. Seal. Keep an eye on that. Of course, just do the same for all the others, taking them out. Watching out for that gasket. There's a variety of spark plug sockets. This is a deep one. It'll fit in there. This takes a 9/16 spark plug socket. We'll put that in there. Just take it out with your wrench. I'm probably going to use a gun of some kind to make things go a little easier, but you can just ratchet it out. Spark plug socket has a little rubber boot in there, so it holds it in place nicely. We have our new spark plug. Got your gapper of some kind. We'll check the gap on here. Looks to be right about 0.40 thousandths, so we're good. If we need to open it, you can use this little tool here and open it up this way, pull a little bit. Otherwise, if it's too big, you can tap on a surface and make it smaller. Start all nuts and bolts always, spark plugs by hand. We'll turn it down and torque it down to about 15 foot-pounds per instructions. Just gonna get it close here and then we'll torque it down. All right, we're close. There you go, hear it beeping. Socket's rarely used, gonna probably stick in there now. Ooh. That is replacing your spark plugs. I'm gonna get my socket out of there and then continue on with the rest, and I'll kind of show you how to put it back together. Drop the coil back in, plug it in, really, right? Nothing to it. Reverse procedure to install. That's what our manuals say all the time. Reverse procedure to install. If you took this out, don't forget to reinstall it. You can snap your cover on the little nubbies there. There's that one back there. That's was broken. That is replacing your spark plugs. Do the same for all of them. Good luck to you. Pretty easy.